my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. In today's video, I have 6 different jobs, all in the quality review, quality assurance type jobs. 4 of them do not require any kind of college degree. 2 of them do. We have a little bit of something for everyone. The links to all the pages that I share are always directly linked in the YouTube description box below this video if you want to read any reviews on the company or get those applications in. And I do just ask that if you enjoy any of these job lead videos that I make or job leads that I share, give me that direct feedback by giving this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family. But let's just dive on in. First up, we have the company Geinsinger. I hope I am saying that right. They have a 1,100 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.5 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a contact center quality assurance specialist. This is work from home for the Eastern United States. But you are basically going to be responsible for completing audits or reviewing incoming and outgoing telephone calls. So you're not actually going to be on the phone talking to the customer. You're going to be reviewing those phone calls that the customer service reps are handling. And any follow-up work, you'll have to follow HIPAA guidelines. So this is going to be in the healthcare field. They're specifically looking for somebody to work Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. So this is a daytime job, no weekends required. You will develop and modify the quality assurance monitoring forms and documents, maintaining employee audit logs. You'll perform those quality reviews of randomly selected telephone calls to facilitate employee standard or performance. You'll perform those quality reviews of random or focused scheduled appointments to facilitate adherence to guidelines and expectations. So you're basically going to be taking randomly past telephone calls that's been recorded, reviewing them, and then grading that customer service rep, getting them any feedback, making sure they're sticking to guidelines and expectations. You will have to compile, track, and analyze data for monitoring and improvements of the employees. Now, they are not requiring a college degree. They are requiring a high school diploma or GED and 4 years of relevant experience, so 4 years of customer service experience. You also have to be able to work a computer and work both in a team and independently and have great communication skills. Now, unfortunately, this job did not list the pay. That'll need to be discussed at the time of the interview. I don't work for any of these companies. I simply share what I find online. Moving right along, we have the company TTEC. They again have 9,700 reviews on Glassdoor, so lots of reviews, an employee satisfaction rating of 3.5 out of 5 stars. Now, this is going to be a temporary position, but they are hiring a temporary quality assurance specialist. This is remote for the United States. This is another one of those where you're not talking on the phone, but you are listening to past phone calls and grading the employees. So you're going to evaluate and analyze customer interactions to improve their customer service experience and satisfaction skills. Your active listening skills is going to help sure that proper information is being given to the customers. Now, this project, it says, is anticipated to last anywhere from 60 to 120 days, but you'll pinpoint areas of improvement through monitoring those calls for customer satisfaction and client requirements. You'll use your knowledge and understanding of the call and product knowledge requirements to prepare any reports, and you'll bring time management and organizational skills into the mix. Now, again, they don't require any college degree either, just a high school diploma or GED, 6 months of customer service, and the understanding and manipulating of data. Now, one thing about temporary jobs, you can get these jobs and then you have extra experience to put on your resume, and at least you're making some money while you're still applying for your dream job. Now, this one is paying very well. Pay for this is anywhere from $25 an hour all the way up to $30 an hour. Now, if you have a finance background, the company Beyond Finance is also hiring in the quality field. They have 383 reviews on Glassdoor with a 3.7 out of 5 star rating. They're looking for a quality assurance specialist too. Now, beyond finance is specifically looking for somebody to perform those quality assurance monitoring for all of their departments within their call center. So, not operations, enrollments, customer success, and settlements team. You're going to be responsible for reviewing those customer calls for all the teams. You identify areas requiring room for improvement, summarize your findings, and present any ideas. So, the customer interactions you're going to be evaluating are phone, social media, email, and chat. And then once you evaluate those, you'll develop metrics for excellence for measuring performance. So you're going to create and track quality monitoring reports while you're reviewing these calls and grading them. And of course, you'll have to communicate any detailed feedback to the teams. Now, they are looking for somebody with a bachelor degree. It does say they'll take equivalent related quality assurance experience over a degree. They do prefer 1 to 3 years of experience and someone who can commit to excellent and high standards, great communication skills, high attention to detail, and someone who can be a problem solver and very organized. If you don't have a college degree, then this one might be for you. Next up, we have Inland Empire Health Plan. They do have 230 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall rating of 3.5 out of 5 stars. They are also hiring a claims specialist quality assurance. Now, this is remote. So this is going to be in the healthcare field. Under the direction of the quality assurance manager and supervisor, you're going to be responsible for making sure the integrity of all the data created and updated by the claims processing staff. So you're going to utilize auditing tools, identify any training needs, and define effective methods for accurate data entry and adjudication. You'll review and assess these data reports and audit the claim processors to make sure they're confirming payment accuracy and completeness of data. You'll be the in-house expert for claims adjudication. You ensure and identify all errors have been corrected in a timely manner, and you'll be an active participant in the claims department's initiative and coaching program. Now, they are not requiring a college degree, just a high school diploma or GED and 2 years experience in examining and processing claims, or they do prefer somebody who has Medicare experience. Now, above that, you do have to have a little bit of healthcare knowledge, know things like ICD-10 codes, things like that. Be proficient in using a computer, specifically those Microsoft Office systems. But if you do have that healthcare experience, this position is paying anywhere from $51,833.60 a year, all the way up to $64,022.40 a year. Next up, we have the company Dynamo Technologies. They only have 11 reviews on Glassdoor, so as always, please do your own research on any companies before giving them your personal information. Out of those 11 reviews, though, they do have a 4.0 out of 5 star rating. They are looking for a quality control manager. Now, this one is not going to require a college degree either, so I thought it would throw it in here because if you ever get a chance, if you have experience to move up in leadership and management, you can certainly work from home and make a decent salary. So they're looking for a manager to support their defense logistics agency. So you're going to be the quality assurance and control of all IT systems, verifying and validating software testing and integration, software metrics and their application, maintaining and establishing a process for evaluating the software and the associated documentation. You'll have to determine the resources required for information technology quality control, and you'll have to develop software quality assurance plans. Now, you will have to apply your subject matter knowledge to high-level analysis, so you're going to have to do some reporting analysis also with this job. Now, again, not requiring a college degree, but they do want somebody who has experience working with software quality assurance plans, someone who is proficient in understanding software testing and integration, someone who is experienced with IT systems. You do have to be able to pass a background check, and they do want somebody who is a U.S. citizen and 5 years of relevant quality assurance experience. Now, they are paying very well, though, since this is a manager position, anywhere from $95,000 a year all the way up to $106,000 a year. Last but not least, we have the company Maximus. They have over 5,000 reviews on Glassdoor, or right around 5,000, sorry, with a 3.4 out of 5-star rating. They are hiring a quality assurance tester. Now, Maximum is currently looking for someone to support and test their software development. So they are looking for somebody to perform manual testing against the accepted criteria in their agile user stories. You'll work with a business analyst to clarify any criteria. You'll document your test case failures, errors, and semantics, including internal investigation of the root causes of those errors. Of course, you're going to have to collaborate with other teams, determining the issue of validity and determining underlying causes of sequence of steps that led to the issue. So you're completely testing software, making sure it's all worked out. Now, they are going to require a degree for this position. You need to be a U.S. citizen, have 2 years of professional work experience in some kind of information systems, software engineering, computer science, that sort of thing. They don't say what your bachelor degree needs to be in, but I'm assuming one of the sciences, and they do want somebody who has 1 year of experience performing manual QA testing. Now, this position pays anywhere from $42,400 a year all the way up to $85,000 a year. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Please let me know down below if you enjoy quality review job leads like this, or if you're looking for anything specific, feel free to leave that down below as well. Please give this video a thumbs up like button if you enjoyed any of these job leads. Share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.